Hey guys, how you doing? Dageha. I'm outside a store that is going to automatically wash my motorcycle. So let's check it out here on Xiaodonglu. It's only 3 to 5 minutes. The minimum is 50 NT. It's called Xmodo. It's done by AI. And yeah, it's on 280 Xiaodonglu in Tainan, East District. They have different prices between 50 to 150. I'm gonna go for the 150 just to see like what the best one is. I don't really understand it yet, but we'll figure it out. So let's do it. Oh, by the way, here's my motorcycle, pre-wash. So it has not been washed in like maybe close to 20 years. Yes, you heard that correct, 20 years. So I've put my beast of burden inside the Xmodo motorcycle wash machine. Let's see how this works. Okay, so I've got my Ushakwai, my 50 NT. So I'm going to put it in here in the slot. Oh, well, that didn't work. Move the motorcycle into. Close the machine door. Aha. Well, okay, step one, I have moved the machine into. Next is close the door. There, I've done that. What is number 3? Safety warning. Do not enter. Okay. As you can see, I am outside. Number 4, select mode. Motorcycle wash description. Do not open the door at will during the car wash process. Number 4, select mode. Okay, so where's select mode? Here? I don't know. It's probably stop, right? Select mode. Ah! I guess number 4 is select mode. A whole bunch of stuff here, blah, 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 all in Mandarin. I'll just assume we press the green button. Next. Put the money in. Oh, there's a button here, other. Huh. I have no idea what that is. Oh. Okay. Well, I suppose if I was Taiwanese, this would be a lot easier. Oh. Okay. It's asking me to scan my QR code. Don't think I can do that while recording. So I'll come back in a minute. Okay, I basically sort of pressed a whole bunch of buttons and eventually I found out how to pay cash. I was worried for a second that it wouldn't work. Now the 150 job, we'll have to figure out later what that means, but enjoy the watch. Maybe it means we'll add wax. I feel like my motorcycle is in Canada, full of snow. It's a 1996 Kimco. Will it survive the car wash? Motorcycle wash. FYI, I didn't need to scan my line. Maybe scanning line is for line pay. Line is an app in Taiwan. Oh wow, it also tells you the process of what's happening. It really is like 5 minutes. It's 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining, and we're on step number 8. It looks like it's drying now. The great thing about doing this is because, like, I've gone to maybe 10 or 15 different car washes where they wash it by hand, and they all told me to go away. They're like, we don't wash motorcycles. I did find one guy in Yongkang near my old house who was willing to do it, but even then I go back and then people, like different workers there, wouldn't wash the motorcycle. And this is really nice that they have it. It's all automatic and it's done by artificial intelligence. One great benefit of living in Taiwan as an expat, 150 NT for the max. That is about $4.50 US to wash, and that's the most expensive one. They also have 50 NT, which is like $1.60. I don't remember the last time it cost $1.60 in Canada or America or United States, England, New Zealand. Now I think it's done. Okay. Guess we could open the door. Get the motorcycle. Is it cleaner? Yeah. Looks a lot better to me. All right, let's get this out of here because there's somebody behind me waiting. Backing up a motorcycle while holding a camera. Really great. I don't even have access to the brakes. Okay, so, well, you know, it's 20 years of grime. I guess, you know, give them the benefit of the doubt. It does look a hell of a lot better. Now the thing in Canada is, after you wash your car always runs a lot better. So we'll have to see if the same is true for my Burst of Eden here, Beast of Burden. And so I'll record when I get to Golden Beach.